And as we mark the 5-year anniversary of the declaration of the COVID-19 pandemic, we're looking back at one of the most significant milestones of that time. We're talking about the development of the COVID vaccine.
Remember that time really well. Everybody looking to get their hands on it. We have a look now at the race to develop that vaccine, get it here, and then give it to people. Jenn Schanz sits down with one of the first Chicagoans to receive it.
In the early days of the pandemic, Dr. Marina Del Rios was working night shifts here at UIC's ER. Then on December 15th of 2020, she was the very first in a group of frontline workers to roll up her sleeve.
Hey, here we go.
Why was it important for you to do this publicly?
For me, it was really important that my community understood that this was safe.
With large numbers of Latinos in Chicago working service and gig jobs, Dr. Del Rios noticed an increased risk of exposure. As a Latina herself, she says,
I felt that it was important that people saw one of them getting vaccinated.
Does it feel like it's been 5 years?
No, it feels like it was yesterday.
In 2021, 63% of the city's Latinos were fully vaccinated against COVID. That jumped to almost 72% the following year, surpassing the vaccination rate of the city's total population. What are some of the biggest lessons we learned 5 years ago?
For those of us in the healthcare field, I think that we're now more aware of how powerful social media can be.
Dr. Del Rios, now at the University of Chicago, says that's both good and bad. A big part of her job became working through disinformation and vaccine hesitancy.
I think you have to start from a place of understanding and compassion.
There's no way to know for sure the impact Dr. Del Rios had, but she does remember meeting a server about a year after getting that first Pfizer dose on camera.
And he was like, thank you so much. Because of you, I spoke with my family and we've all gotten vaccinated and we haven't gotten COVID. And for me, that was just so heartwarming.
Upon taking office for his second term, President Trump, via executive order, withdrew the U.S. from the World Health Organization, which during the COVID-19 pandemic shared critical data and resources.
Without support for ongoing research to find new vaccines, to address misinformation, to identify the sources of inequities, that's going to affect us all.
Jenn Schanz, NBC 5 News.